Okay guys, so I'm going to show you how to upload your YouTube banner from your iPhone. So what you're going to want to do is go to Phonto and just get a YouTube banner template, and that's what I did right here. So then you're going to go and add the image that you would like to use as your background, which is that picture that I have right there. So I'm just going to resize it to the shape of the darker rectangle in the middle, because that is the recommended size for your desktop banner and for your YouTube banner. So you just want to play around with it and get it to the perfect size so that you'll be able to upload it. And as you see, I'm going back and forth between the sizes and the width and things, so just play around with it until you get the size that you want, or to the size that it actually fits so that you can see it. Also guys, if you would like me to show you a tutorial on how I made that banner for my YouTube channel using Phonto, just let me know in the comments below, and I'll do a screen recording of that too, so that you guys can have it as well. After you got the perfect size, you want to save that image, and then after you save the image, you want to go back to Google Chrome. And something that I found which was way easier is that if you press the three dots in the right corner and scroll all the way down and click on request desktop site, it takes you straight to the desktop site, and it usually works all the time. I don't have any problems with it. So this was really easy. And then you just want to click on your account and then click on the little icon that allows you to update your banner. Then you want to go into your photos and upload the picture you just edited. And here I have like a watermark on my preview, if you see it, but I'm just gonna crop that out so that you guys don't see it, because I don't want that on my page. So as I play around with this and crop it out, I'm just going to save it when I'm done. And then I realized that after you're done, you have to reload the page a couple of times because it doesn't update immediately, but after a couple refreshes, it lines up on your page. Then I just go back to mobile site so that I can see how it looks on the mobile app, and there it's all done.